Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about functions. I just give a bit of introduction in the previous video about the sum function, but there is a lot of functions which you can apply in Excel for getting faster results in your numerical sheets. So let us try sum. Double click on the same. Now you need to give the range, select the range, close the parenthesis and just enter. If you want to get average, now double click the average, select the range, close the parenthesis and you will get the average. If you don't have any idea about function, just click on this button. This is insert function. This way you will get a dialog box where different functions have been given, like max. It will return the largest value in the set of the values. If I click on average, returns the average of its arguments. Each and every function description will be given down over here, and for count the number of the values. If you want to use if, again you have what parameters, check whether the condition is met or not. Each and every detail about the parameters of that particular function is being given here. So you can use a number of functions provided by Excel over here. In the next video we will talk about if function.